Hi everyone, it's Karen. I'm back with a cute little Chrissy project using the Snow Globes mold from IOD. I'm starting with amazing casting resin in white, just mixing equal parts A and B, giving it a good stir until it turns clear, and then pouring it straight into the mold. I'm just using a popsicle stick to push the resin into the corners. It only takes about 10 minutes to cure, and once it goes white, it's ready to pop out. My favorite part. For the frame, I'm mixing Pentart's pigment powder with a pigment fix to make this gorgeous metallic paint. And I'm going ahead and painting both frames with this paint. I love how shiny it is. Now onto the fun stuff, transfers. I'm using the Tinsel foil and the Kitchy Christmas transfer pads from IOD. I just position it, rub it down with a little stick and lift it slowly to make sure it's fully transferred. If anything lifts, I just pop it back down and rub it again. I'll repeat the same thing for all the transfers. Next, I'm adding some texture using Pentart's Ice Crystal Paste, followed with a bit of gold crystal paste. It gives the perfect icy sparkly look, very Christmassy. For the frame, to add a bit of an aged look, I'm brushing on Pentart's antiquing gel and then wiping back the excess with a paper towel or a wet wipe. I'm using a wet wipe again to clean up the little mess I made. I'm not a big fan of the plain resin backing, so I'm gluing my casting onto these MDF cutouts. You can totally decorate the MDF too if you're using a clear resin piece on top, like transfers, decoupage papers, whatever you like. I'm using Pentart's Heavy Body Gel as glue and then painting the back and edges with that same metallic mixture so it all ties together. I've listed all the products I used today below. And that's my little snow globe project. Super simple, super cute, and so much fun to make. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, drop me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs, paint projects, and crafty chaos from me. See you in the next one.